Today we're in Orlando, Florida, and we've already found a friend turtle here at Lake Eola Park. As soon as we got out of the car, we just stepped out and we already met this guy. Walking right toward us. Well, hi. Lydia and I are actually traveling to Jacksonville, Florida, but we flew into Orlando and spent a couple days here. And whenever we go places, we just look for something we haven't seen before, something beautiful, something interesting, maybe a museum, a park, some kind of amusement. And we came across this park.
Okay.
It is
What's happened now?
really nice.
Uh-huh.
And it has about a mile paved path all the way around it. Makes it really easy walking. It's real picturesque. If you're in Orlando, it's a nice place to go. And it had a lot of wildlife. And so we just really enjoy seeing things that are new, beautiful, and decided to meet some new friends. Look at all these swans over here. Wow. They're all over the place at this park.